muli sa ating mga kamatalino at kamatyaga. Ngayon naman po ay ang pag-uusapan natin ay simple interest pa din. Pero ito po is paano kapag yung rate naman yung unknown. Okay? So, there are instances again when rate might be unknown. In simple interest, we use the formula to compute for rate respectively. So that is R equals I divided by P times T. Ano po ba yan? Rate is equal to interest divided by the principal amount or the present value times the length of time. Okay? So today, we will compute for a known rate of interest of each given the present value P, the future value F, and the time T. Alright? So with our given principal amount, 50,847.46 pesos, the future amount or the future value, 60,000 pesos, and the length of time is 2 years. Okay? So ano po ang ating unang gagawin? So, ang una po natin gagawin is we will solve for the interest. Paano po ba yon? Interest is equal to the final amount minus the present value. So, ang ating pong final amount is 60,000 pesos. We'll just substitute it. And then, the present value is 50,847.46. Pag susubtract lang po natin yan, ang ating pong magiging interest ay 9,152.54. Yan na po ang ating gagamitin para masolve po natin ang ating interest rate. Okay, so rate is equal to the interest divided by the principal amount times the length of time. So substitute the interest, 9,152.54. Saan yan nanggaling? Dito po. Divided by, ang ating pong present value is 50,847.46 at ang ating pong time is 2 years. Ayan. So, ang ating pong magiging interest rate ay 0.09. Times po natin siya sa 100 para po naging percent. So, the rate of interest is 9%. Okay? Next. What if we had the principal amount equals 62,500 pesos with the final amount 100,000 pesos and the time is 5 years? So again, we'll use first I equals F minus P. So isusubtract po muna natin yung ating final amount na 100,000 pesos sa ating present value na 62,500. So ang ating pong magiging interest ay 37,500. Yan na po ang ating isa-substitute dito sa I ng ating formula. Interest is equal to 37,500 divided by, ang ating pong present value ay 62,500 pesos times the length of time, 5 years. Okay? So ang interest rate po natin ay 0.12. We'll multiply to 100%. So the rate of interest is 12%. Okay? Next example. We have the principal amount 346,000 pesos, 391.75, and the final amount of 350,000 pesos. Ang ating pong time ay 150 days. We'll compute this in ordinary interest. Okay? So, same pa din po. Kunin natin muna ang interest. So, that is interest equals final amount minus the present value. So, the final amount, 350,000 pesos minus the present value, 346,391.75. Meron po tayong interest na 3,608.25. So, substitute na po natin sa formula ng pagkuha ng rate is equal to, ang interest natin ay 3,608.25 divided by, ang ating pong principal amount ay 346,391.75 times in years po ulit. So, dahil po 150 days yung given natin to convert in years, ordinary, so i-divide natin sa 360. Okay? So, ang ating magiging rate is 0.025 and then we'll multiply to 100%. The rate of interest is 2.5%. Okay? So let's proceed to our fourth example. With the present value of 74,479.86 and the final amount is 76,500 pesos, we have the 180 days ang ating length of time. And that will be exact interest. Okay, so anong gagawin? Same pa din, unahin nating hanapin ang ating interest. Kung paano, we'll subtract the final amount minus the present value. So, ang final amount natin is 76,500 minus the present value, 74,479.86. Okay? So, the interest is 2,220.14. So, yan na po ang isa-substitute natin. Given the formula, R equals I divided by P times T. So, ang ating I ay 2,020.14 divided by the present value, 74,479.86 times, para makuha natin yung time, 180. Dahil po ito ay exact interest, i-divide natin sa 365. Okay? So, magiging answer natin is 0.055. I-multiply natin sa 100%. Okay? So, we have the rate of interest is 5.5%. Okay? Laging sa 100%. I-multiply lagi sa 100%. Okay? Kasi yan ay in percent. Okay? Next. Alright, so para naman po sa ating ika-fifth example, we have the principal amount, 744,047.62 pesos, with the final amount of 750,000 pesos, and the length of time is 6 months. So we'll use same formula for the interest equals final amount minus the present value. So ang ating final amount is 750,000 pesos minus the present value 744,047.62. Ang ating pong magiging interest ay 5,952.38. So ito na po ang ating isa-substitute sa ating interest rate formula equals I divided by P times T. So ang ating pong interest is 5,952.38 divided by 744,047.62 ang ating present value. At dahil po ang given natin ay in months, so to convert it in years, no, yung 6 months natin, i-divide natin by 12 because again, we have 12 months in a year. Alright? So we'll have our answer is 0.016. Again, times 100%. The rate of interest is 1.6%. Okay? And for the last example, equals 103,448.28 pesos. Ang final amount ay 125,000 pesos 0.001 or 0.00, and then equals 10 months. Alright, same formula of the interest equals final amount minus the present value. So, ang ating final amount is 125,000 0.01 pesos minus 103,448.28. So, magkakaroon tayo ng 21,551.73. Okay, yan ang ating interest na isa-substitute po natin sa ating formula. So, 21,551.73 divided by ang ating present value na 103,448.28, dun po yan ang galing. At dahil po ang ating length of time ay 10 months, to convert it in years again, since we have 12 months in a year, we'll divide 10 by 12. Okay? So, our answer is 0.25 and then times 100%, the rate of interest is 25%. Alright? So, as easy as that, no, we will compute the rate of interest, or rate of simple interest. Okay? So, that's all for today. Once again, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay?